So today, guys, I'm gonna try and get everything from the mondo shop. First thing I'm gonna get is the fucking beekeepers mask. I only need glitter and honey. First thing I'll do is let's go. What part? Oh, I'm very laggy. This can't get worse, right? Even worse, there's guests in my house, in my mom's house, which I really hate. Oh, I'm laggy. Time. Oh, ouch. Let's finish this over. Oh yeah, you guys want to see how much honey I made today just with a porcelain dipper? Well, 1,114,362,936. Bro, this was fucking slow. I only have like some 40 million. Right now it's right on like 4 million. But yeah, kinda wasted on points. Anyways, I really did hate this. I really did. I really do hate it. I suffered so much for the porcelain dipper. Oh my yeah. Cooking is one of the most underrated tools you could ever have in peace. I mean, it literally gives you some comfort for some time, bro. Honestly, I kinda hate beekeeping. Bro, I hated getting the porcelain dipper today. Dude, it was a fucking summer. Really. No, I mean, like, really, it took so much time. It took like 1,000 years. I mean, not really 1,000 years. I just had to not touch grass for 4 hours. Oh, I really hate this fucking. Whoa, like 9 million honey. I mean, ah, 9 million honey. Time to something again. Something very repetitive. Honestly, I think I might have to change servers. I mean, there's a lot of black spikes happening to me as you can see. And I don't know what to really do. Like, you see what's happening to me. A lot of black spikes. I believe I might have to go to another server, guys. I just really need to finish this boost. Honestly, I don't really. I think I really do need better Wi-Fi. Senators, there's very bad Wi-Fi. You can get better Wi-Fi. Dude, this Wi-Fi is so bad. This thing will really be better. I really do need it. Bro, what is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Oh, fine. Finished. It finished converting. It finally finished converting. I just finished. Never mind. I can't do it. It's a bad amount of money. I really hate how I'm getting a little bit of money. I hate lagging. Alright, please, please. Please. Okay, I'm gonna beat the commando check. I will tell you what I get later on. I have so many lag spikes that I can't even do the commando check. I can't even do the commando check. Bro, I wish I could play it on PC, but I don't even know how to make videos on PC. Oh my god. Chick is not spawn. Spawn. You're giving me all this stuff. Well, I'll see you later. I just think I found a new glitch, and it's honestly very chaotic. I just died. Okay, you're gonna see the glitch. You're gonna see the glitch. Glitch, but it lags the hell out of me. You know, very low health, so I'm gonna be just. You can watch the whole progress, or just put it in 2x speed, or just skip it. I'm so pro. Definitely not gonna die. I'm so pro, I'm not gonna die. You just got very juked. You get juked again. Bro, your grades are so easy to dodge. Just get away from me. Boom. Easy. Give me something hard. Like vicious bait. Windy. Stop camping in your egg. Stop it. Stop camping in your egg. Yes. Air. We got air. I got nothing. Just air. Wow, that gave me that gave me nothing. That gave me nothing at all. At all. Rah. Bro, I gotta get. I really do. See you later. Bro, give me the quest. Let's go. What quest we got there? Let's go, bro. Let's go. Anyways, all guys, have a great day. Cause I suffered a lot to make this video. It took me like 1 hour. I did not get any of the items from the mountain shop, which makes me sad.